Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to upload music on Spotify. So without further ado, let's get started. So uploading music on Spotify could mean two things. One is you're an artist and you want to upload your own original music on Spotify, or you just want to upload local files from your computer to Spotify. I will teach you guys how to do these two different things. First is uploading your own original music on Spotify. To do that, you need to go here on this page, which is Getting Music on Spotify. So if you're an artist and you want to upload your music, you would need a distributor. It is because it says here that distributors handle music licensing and distribution and pay streaming royalties. So all you have to do is just click the text that says see our preferred and recommended distributors. This would lead you to a page that would show you different distributors. Now the other part is uploading music from your computer to Spotify is what I would teach you guys right now. Just to let you guys know that uploading music from your computer to Spotify means you will be the only one who can listen to it on your account. So it may be your own music or music from other artists that are not available on Spotify. So to do that, just click on your username and go to settings. Scroll down until you find this section called Library and just switch on Show Local Files. Another section will show up called Show Songs From. Now all you have to do is to add a file onto your computer. Just click Add a Source and now find the folder wherein you have the music in, and once you have, just select that and click OK. Now to find the folder, all you have to do is just go to your library and click on Local Files. And there you go. Here's all the music I just uploaded. I can add them to a playlist if I like. I'm just going to choose this one right here. Now let's check it on my playlist, and here we go. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this.